Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda CRV battery. Before starting, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. You'll need a 10mm wrench, a wire brush, and a battery terminal cleaner. The battery is usually located under the hood, on the passenger side, ready for access. Now let's remove the old battery. Always start by loosening the negative terminal with your 10mm wrench. Once loose, carefully pull the negative cable off and tuck it away to prevent accidental contact. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp, which is typically a single bolt securing the battery in its tray. The old battery is heavy, so lift it out with care. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly using a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully lower your new battery into the clean tray. Secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp to prevent movement. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it securely. Then, connect the negative terminal, ensuring both connections are snug and stable. You're almost done. Apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals to prevent future buildup. Double-check all your connections to ensure they are tight and secure, preventing any loose contact. Now, start your vehicle to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly and all systems are operational. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center. Never just throw it away.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.